Hey guys, it's Sam for Digital Meet again, and in this short video I wanted to talk about something that's hidden within Cinema 4D. Some of you may already know about this, some of you may not. Within Cinema 4D you can actually play chess. So if you hit the Shift C command and type chess, double click on the top chess, it brings up this screen, and this will allow you to play chess. So up here we've got a few options. So this is player versus C4D, and you've got a load of other options. You've got C4D versus C4D. So let's actually make the computer play itself. Then we've got this max time in seconds. So this is the max time Cinema 4D gets to think about its move. I'm going to reduce this down to something like 2 seconds just to make it nice and quick for us. And I think this is the max play time, 32 minutes. I think that's what that is. Then over here we've got, we can computer move, or we can actually stop it from thinking. And then we've got this move tab here, and I'll show you what that does in a minute. So I think with everything set there for Cinema 4D to play itself, we can just hit compute and it will start playing. Okay, so let's stop this. And we can actually go to File, New Game, and it resets the board. So let's give this a go ourselves. So player versus C4D. And I think we kick off. So let's just drag. So you can basically grab, like I am, you can grab a piece and move it to where you want to go. If it's a legitimate space that that piece can move to, you'll see that you get this cross. And if it's somewhere it can't go, it'll... you'll get this strike through. So I'm just going to move here, and then Cinema 4D gets a... There we go, it's actually thinking. So its thinking time obviously only relates to when it's playing a player, by the looks of things. Okay, so he's moved there, so I'm going to move here and see what he does. Okay, had a good think about that one. Okay, so you get the general idea. Let's start a new game again. And you can see that it clears the move list as well. And it's quite nice. You get a history of moves. Actually, something else that I should point out. Let's just put it back on C4D versus C4D and start the game again. So these two will move. Blah, blah, blah. And you'll see that every move is documented in this history here. But you can actually go back through these moves. So let's stop this from thinking. And now if you go back through the list, it'll actually undo the moves, or you can press the undo button. But effectively it'll just be moving up this list here. Okay, let's go back to C4D versus player, or player versus C4D. New game. You can also use this move field here to actually move pieces as well. So instead of me doing this and drag him, which is nice and easy, you can actually do this. So that's the reason for these numbers and letters here. So this piece is set at H2. So what I'd do is I'd type H2 and then the position that I want it to move to. So H4. So H2 to H4 and then enter, and it will move my piece for me. So yeah, I just thought that was worth sharing, guys. You can play chess within Cinema 4D. If you're watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell to be notified of new tutorials. You can follow me on social media at Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and Instagram. And make sure to visit me at digitalmeet.uk, where you can vote for upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye.